Hey, welcome to Mnemonic AI. My name is Elliot. And in this series of videos, we'll be talking about some uncomfortable truth about AI in today's business environment. Let's start with a pretty hard fact. Most AI companies today do not build AI. That is the real state of artificial intelligence right now. A recent investigation looked at 200 funded AI startups. 73% of them were running third-party APIs like OpenAI or Anthropic under their hood. But they mark themselves as proprietary AI. This is not a small misunderstanding. This is a gap between what the market thinks is being built and what is actually being built. Researchers now use a term for this: AI washing. AI washing means claiming AI capabilities that are not real or are exaggerated. Academic research shows that this deception driven by hype and investor pressure. The 200 company analysis found the same thing again and again. Founders say, we build our own models. But when you inspect the traffic, requests go to API openai.com, token costs matches GPT pricing, latency matches GPT server patterns, and you see no evidence of model training at all. In other words, plain wrappers, a new UI, and a new narrative. The economics are clear. An OpenAI model call might cost 3 cents. Some startups charge $2 to $5 per request. That is a 50 to 150 times markup. This is not limited to small companies. Large firms also misstate AI capability. Apple has already been sued for misleading claims about AI features in devices and software. 2 investment advisors were fined by the SEC for claiming AI-driven investment decisions that did not exist. One of the clearest examples was Builder AI. They claimed their AI built apps. Investigators found humans in India were doing most of the manual work. The company reached a unicorn valuation, then collapsed. The honest truth, most AI startups today are software companies using foundation models as infrastructure. There's nothing wrong about that. Every mobile app is a wrapper over iOS APIs. No one complained. The problem is deception. So why is that happening? First, most people don't understand how AI actually works. Many investors and reporters do not know how models training or interference works. The lack of understanding makes it easy for people to believe claims that sound technical. Second, the investor hype reward narrative. There is a pressure to say we build our own model, even when the company did not. Third, training real models is expensive. APIs are cheap and fast. Fourth, the barrier to create a wrapper is low. You can build a UI on top of a ChatGPT in a weekend. Fifth, marketing incentives are stronger than engineering incentives. So how do you evaluate a claim? Ask which models they run. Ask if interference happens in their own infrastructure or via API. Ask if they train or fine-tune. Ask for evidence of training infrastructure. If the answers are vague, assume it's a wrapper. So why does that matter? False claims destroy trust, or investors waste capital. Customers waste time. Engineers waste years working on products that are only a UI on top of something else's model. AI is real. Progress is real. The models are powerful. The future impact will be large. But today's market is full of companies pretending they invented a new AI while selling repackaged GPT calls with markup and branding. The industry needs honesty. Data scientists are scarce. No one expects a startup to build GPT in a week. Using GPT-4 or Claude as your core models is not a weakness, but lying about it is. So let's try to be a little more honest in the industry. So thank you, and talk soon. As usual, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments or reach out to us on our website. And talk to you soon. Bye.